Hotel California by the Eagles. Hotel California is one of those songs that seem clear on the surface but become more mysterious the more you think about it. Its haunting melody, surreal imagery, and poetic lyrics create a world that feels both familiar and unreal. A perfect example of ambiguity in art. The song never tells you exactly what it's about, leaving listeners with multiple possible meanings. That very uncertainty, that refusal to give one definite answer, is what connects Hotel California so deeply to ambiguity. The most direct connection to ambiguity lies in the unclear identity of the Hotel California itself. Some listeners interpret it as a metaphor for addiction, something beautiful and tempting that slowly traps you. Others still see it as an allegory for materialism, temptation, or even hell. A place that seems luxurious but turns out to be a spiritual prison. What fascinating is that the song never tells us which interpretation is correct. It's written with symbolic language. Mirror on the ceiling, pink champagne on ice, the beast that can mean many things. The listener is invited to decide what the hotel really is. This openness makes the song ambiguous. It holds multiple meanings at once without settling on a single truth. Musically, Hotel California sounds smooth and captivating. The melody feels dreamy, almost relaxing, but the lyrics tell a story that's unsettling. This contrast creates emotional ambiguity. The music sounds inviting like the hotel itself it draws you in. The lyrics, however, describe entrapment and delusionment. This contradiction between sound and meaning mirror the song's deeper message. Something that looks beautiful on the outside can hide darkness within. That's ambiguity in emotional form. The listener feels both attracted and disturbed at the same time. The song's poetic imagery also plays with symbolic ambiguity. Take these lines. Her mind is Tiffany twisted. She got the Mercedes-Benz. We are all just prisoners here of our own device. These aren't literal descriptions, they're metaphors, open to interpretation. Tiffany twisted could refer to materialism, vanity, or even moral corruption. Prisoner of our device could mean addiction, fame, guilt, or spiritual decay. The song builds a world of shifting symbols, luxurious but suffocating, glittering but haunted. Another layer of ambiguity lies in the narrative voice. The song begins like a realistic travel story. A weary traveler driving through the desert, but as he entered the Hotel California, reality started to dissolve. There she stood in the doorway. I heard the mission bell. From that point on, the story feels like dreamlike. Even nightmarish, the listener can tell whether the events are real, imagined, or metaphorical. This shifting sense of reality reflects the existential ambiguity of the song. It's both a story and a dream, both literal and symbolic. One of the most famous lines in rock music is "You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave." This line perfectly captures existential ambiguity. The illusion of freedom in modern life, the inability to escape one's own desire or choices, the psychological trap or guilt, fame, or addiction. The Eagles have never given a single authoritative explanation for Hotel California. They said it's about the dark underbelly of the American dream. But that's intentionally blurred by leaving it open-ended. They let listeners see themselves in the story. This is the beauty of artistic ambiguity. It invites participation. Every person who hears Hotel California projects their own presentation and interpretation onto it. The song remains alive because it never pinned down to just one meaning. The connection between Hotel California and ambiguity lies in how the song lyrics, imagery, tone, and symbolism all resist clear interpretation. It is ambiguous because the hotel itself is symbolic, but its meaning is never fixed. It could represent fame, addiction, death, or illusion. The tone is contradictory. Beautiful music paired with dark lyrics. The story blurs reality and dream, making the listener unsure what's real. The emotions are complex. Attraction, fear, pleasure, regret, and entrapment coexist. The ending offers no closure, only the hunting, freedom, and captivity. Hotel California uses ambiguity as a mirror for life itself. alluring, mysterious, and uncertain. It captures the idea that beneath beauty lies danger, beneath freedom lies imprisonment, and beneath every clear answer lies a deeper question.